Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a stock on Fidelity app. So first thing, open your app, then you should have this homepage. Then click on transfer here, this green dollar icon, just click on it, then click on trade. As you can see here on the top, click on the search bar and search for the ETF you want to buy or the company name. I will choose SoFi for example, and then just click on it. Now you should be able to see this page. Click on buy. Next, select the amount you want to buy. You can select either buy shares or dollars. I will select shares. Next, select the amount that you want to buy and click on preview. Make sure all the infos are right. If everything is okay, just click buy. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel.